Okay, Gav. It's a disappointing day. How would you sum up the performance and the result?
How long do you want me to take? We lost 6-0 up there last year. Could have been more. But we're all got standards, and today that standard's just not good enough. 10 in Welsh Prem at this current stage, no, it's unacceptable. I think the boys know that. From the management side and from the whole club, we have got our own standards, and as I say again, it's just not good enough.
If we look back on the start of the game, first 20-25 minutes, 1-0 down, but Abish, you could argue, should have even been a couple of goals ahead.
Yeah, the thing is, when you don't take them against TNS of these worlds, it's always going to come back. I'm still baffled that that we're walking in 5-0 down. They've had 6 attacks, 5 goals. We've had 3 golden opportunities, nearly in the goal. And how do they go in? I really don't know. As
you were saying, you were baffled going in at half time. Do you think that affected the players quite a lot, knowing that they could have easily been ahead going in at half time, not 5-0 down?
Yeah, well, the thing is, for a fact you just conceded 5, so you're playing against TNS, the champions, and for a fact there's be very, very difficult to see if there's any more goals coming from anywhere. And you expect the onslaught, because when they do pass the ball, when they're on a high, it's very difficult to get close to them. They've opened us up, they've played around us, just not tight enough, even to the point of the fitness side of it. Hot day today. But overall, as I keep going back to it, we've all got standards. The boys know it. We've had a chat. And let's move on to next week.
I know you're not wanting to make excuses or anything, but do you think not just the fitness levels, but the scoreline and everything came in one, and concentration maybe played a big
part? Well, I've got to be honest, with TNS, and that if they're on ball, it's always going to be a struggle. You're just hoping that they get a bad day. As I say, we did go up there last year, we lost 6-0. That could have been 10, to be honest with you. Many clubs go up there and lose by the 6 and 7s, but obviously the killer is that we are playing at home. Good crowd here today, trying to put something on for them, but unfortunately it went completely vice versa.
This was never going to be a game that you look at and go, we can get 3 points out of this for sure. Will you take confidence away from it, knowing it was against TNS and not necessarily against a team that's going to finish around you?
I think the simple one is, let's forget about it. It's as simple as that. Let's move on to next week. Obviously be talking to a few players this week, obviously regarding their own fitness levels and their own discipline, to be honest, on the football pitch. Overall, look, it's a bad day at the office, and it's a serious bad day. But as I would say, everybody else drew today, so that's consolation. That's something. Nobody basically got 3 points. It's simple, and I would say it again. Look, we're going to Druids next week, and then we need to shape up in key areas, which we all know. We can't play as bad as that. We go from there.
And as most managers say at this point of the season, tables are basically irrelevant. Looking at are you thinking that the same?
Yeah, it's about, let's go to 8 games, I've always said, the 8-game scenario, let's see where we are. We knew for a fact we had a hard weekend, going down to Barry on Friday night, and then today. So, my own feeling is, 8 games, then we can determine exactly where we are going to be as a team. But same thing again, we need to get that squad back up and running. That's knocked us today, and my own feeling would be, we need to stick together on this.